We're breaking records, the wrong kinds of records. Just a day after Los Angeles County reported the highest daily rate of new coronavirus cases, the state says that hospitalizations throughout California have more than quadrupled in just the last couple of months. And of course, those hospitalizations related specifically to patients with coronavirus. That's why Governor Gavin Newsom has outlined yet a new plan for the state of California when it comes to those safer at home restrictions. In previous months, we've been looking at county by county, and each county has been able to move up based on the numbers of reporting. But now the county system is out the window. They are now looking at a regional system. The state divided into 5 different regions. Of course, us being in what's known as region number 5, which is the Southern California region, including 11 counties all the way from San Luis Obispo down to San Diego County. At this point, the regions will all relate and they will look at the number of ICU stays within that region. Now, right now in our region, we're at 20.6%. That's how many ICU beds are left in our region. If that number falls below 15%, that's when the more strict, safer at home restrictions would go into place for our entire region. Not just the county of Los Angeles, not just individual counties, but all 11 counties within our region. Now, for those here in LA County, we're already under some of the strictest coronavirus precautions anywhere in the United States, but those precautions would also be in place throughout the region if Governor Gavin Newsom enacts this, essentially pulls the trigger for our region. Here's more from the governor about what kind of businesses would be affected.
When the region is placed in the stay-at-home category, that bars, wineries, personal services, hair salons, and the like will be temporarily closed for that 3-week period.
So again, if the trigger is pulled because we fall below that 15% of ICU stays, well, that's when our hair salons would close in the region, our nail salons, retail would be reduced to just 20%, outdoor playgrounds would be shut down again. And again, underscoring what that retail effect would be. Of course, we're coming into the holiday season. Many of these stores have struggled to try to survive. They say that this is just the final dagger for them, that they feel that they will be unable to actually recover from all of this. Now, of course, we will keep you updated. At this point, the only thing that is in effective tomorrow is that we'll now be looking at a regional assessment. It's unclear whether or not we will actually have that 15% threshold, or we will meet that, and these safer at home restrictions will take place. We, of course, will keep you updated as we continue to monitor all the numbers coming not just from the county now, but from the Southern California region. That's the very latest right now from here in Hollywood. I'm Wendy Birch, and I'll send it back to you.